There's more. Good. Lay on your back.
You heard the cracks at the start of the video. You want to hang around for the rest of this one. We've got a jam-packed video from some of your favorite chiropractors. We post every single day. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss anything. Let's get into it. Up next, we have Dr. Brent Binder.
You're very strong here, though. You have good muscular development, and it's very symmetrical. But this, right here, this is what you said, right?
Yep.
Good. Good posture adjustment there. Up here?
Up further.
Up here?
Yeah.
When I push into here, it hurts up here?
Yeah.
Okay. Close. Good. Open. Close. Open. Hamstrings, okay?
Okay.
Alright, so I'm going to slide up to the bottom of your glute fold, and it's slightly lower on the right side, meaning the right side has possibly gone posterior like that. Now, looking from the top, they look pretty even. I don't really see hair straighten out here. I don't see any difference from the top, so there's no rotations there. Good, let your head relax. Good, no rib humping here, but like just this musculature is on the heel strike. Mid stance and toe off looks symmetrical. Good. Good. There is just a little bit of wobble towards the left. I don't see a difference in the shoulder height, and the arm swing looks even as well. Arches, we definitely have some pronation on the left with a decreased arch there. I pushed hard. Good. Sinking in.
That was crazy.
Dude. Sinking in. See how it is a little tighter there?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, same thing. Deep breath in and out. Shoulders relaxed, sinking. Good. And then just let it out softly. Shoulders. Ah! It needs it. I'm going to bend your feet. Don't help me, okay? Deep breath in. Good. Lean back. Breathe out. Good. Keep breathing, keep breathing, keep breathing, keep breathing. All the way down. All the way down, all the way down, all the way down. As you breathe out, I'm going to stretch your shoulders in this direction. I'm going to bring your hips down. That was all in your lumbar spine. So let's do that again. Deep breath in. Good. There's more. Good. Lay on your back. Okay. I'll switch just a little bit here. That's good. Lay on your back. It's too easy. You're doing great. See, it's not that weird to get adjusted, right?
Mm-hmm.
No big deal.
What the
Good. It's right there. It's going to happen.
Oh my gosh. Wow.
Just with 2 fingers each, here's your belly button, here's your ASIS. We connect these 2 points. We start looking from there for the ileocecal valve. Here's yours right here. Is that tender?
Yeah. Sorry, that tickles.
I'll relax your neck, relax. Don't close your jaw. There you go. Good, that's better. Okay, so. All right, let's try this. Open all the way. Okay, good. And then now close. Feel that.
Okay.
You can close your eyes.
Oh my god, what the fuck? What the
Breathe.
What the Okay. Like, can I get up now?
Yeah, if you want to, or you can just lay there for a minute.
Whoa! Did you see that? I wasn't the only one that heard that, right?
I'm not sure.
I felt like
Oh,
my
yeah.
whole, the entirety of my back just cracked at once. That's wild. That was sick.
Good range there, Sarah. That's good. Let that relax. Let it relax now. Good.
I'm chilling. I feel good.
Next up, we have Dr. Alex Tubio.
Stand up now for me. And then I want you to try and touch your toes. Step forward a little bit there. Now try and touch your toes. Good. Does that hurt at all when you do that?
No.
Is it tight at all on your lower back?
No.
No?
Yeah, always tight on my back.
Okay. On that right side, right?
Yeah.
Okay. There. And what I want you to do is keep this straight and bring it up as high as you can. Oh yeah, that's not good. Do it. Oh wow.
I feel it on this
On that side?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Do the right side now.
Oh God.
Go back down. Good. You ready? So this table is gonna pop up underneath of you. I just want to see something. Good. We're just gonna push here. Ready? Does that hurt? Good. Good. Now let's lift this one back up again. Good. Go back down. A little better, right? Do the other side. Good. That's a little better. Good. Good. Lift this one back up again. That's a little better. Do the other side. Yeah, that's better. Good. Good. Lift this up one more time. That's getting higher. Good. Other side. Little by little. Good. So, deep breath in for me. Exhale. Good. Let your shoulders drop. Good. There it is. There you go. Other side. That's great.
It's coming off the table.
It's coming. And then keep this up a little bit more. And then we're gonna turn your hips.
Oh my God.
Does that hurt a little bit?
It's good.
Roll you over. Because we have to push down. Because there's too much of that curve.
Okay.
Here.
Oh.
Good. How did that feel?
Good.
Good. Sorry to sneak up on you.
That's okay. That's the only way you can get it done, man.
Yeah. Go on the other side now. That's good. We have to turn. This one's a lower one. Remember this one? So I'm trying to find. Yeah, you can kind of feel that already moving in through there. So I have to push in. I want you to relax your stomach.
Oh.
There. Woo.
I'm good.
You're good. Just like that. And you're gonna roll this way. So we have a few. We're gonna get one right here first, and then one a little bit higher. We're gonna roll back, going against that curve. And I want you to let your shoulders relax over my hand. That's good. Oh my gosh.
God.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's real.
So sometimes there's not many words you can say.
It's
just
not.
says,
It's
yep.
just.
So I have to push in. Let your shoulders go. There he goes. Is the one where it starts to move forward. So we have to do the opposite. And then you're going to let your head bend. You can kind of feel that.
Oh shit! Oh God. Oh God. Oh. I'm alive.
You're alive.
Oh, he's got to do the other side.
A lot of tension through there.
Oh.
Passed out.
Up a little bit, that's it. So I know you still have the lasting effect of the last one, but I want you to just let that, because it's really tight in through there. You can kind of feel that there.
Oh, God.
I need some water now.
You can't have mine, ma'am. Oh. That's real, man. That's real. These other chiropractors playing games. They playing games.
You ready?
Uh-huh.
So we're gonna clear the last part. Turn.
Oh.
There's a little bit there.
Oh.
Exhale out. Relax your butt.
Oh my God. Oh.
Oh, I heard that.
You're magical.
Let me take this out so you can just kind of relax there.
Oh.
Maybe I should go get my water.
You should go get something.
A little bit in shock now, huh?
Mm-hmm. Oh. And I moved to Houston. Go find a house today.
So I want you to look all the way to the left. That's good. Look all the way to the right.
Oh.
Ooh, there we go, right? Yeah. Go ahead and stand up, and then let's see how you can do. Let's touch your toes again. I know you were fine before, but let's just see.
Oh,
It's further.
That's even better, yeah.
Yeah.
Good.
like you been doing some yoga.
Now I'm not afraid to go even do yoga now, because before it was like.
If you made it to the end of the video, guys and girls, thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more.